App install failed 0x80073D26. This is a broken store cache. wsreset fixes it in 60 seconds. You're seeing this if your app just stops mid-install with no real explanation, you hit retry and it fails again immediately, or the store is stuck and reopening it does nothing. This is it. I've run this fix across a dozen machines. Same error, same cause, same solution every time. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, hit enter. A black window opens, don't touch it. It'll close on its own. That's normal, that it's working. The store reopens automatically when it's done. That's your signal. Go back to your app, hit install. If wsreset didn't do it, open PowerShell as admin. Right-click Start, paste this exactly from the description. You'll see text scroll by. Ignore it, that's normal. Let it finish, then retry the install. You might see red text scroll by as well. Still safe. To confirm it worked, check your app installs in the Start menu. Installed apps? If it's still failing, run sfc/scannow in that same admin terminal. Your system files are corrupted and that'll rebuild them. You just fixed it yourself. Comment below if you're still stuck. I read them. Subscribe so the next person finds this instead of a 10-minute video.